Welcome to the PluTech channel. Today we have a topic to discuss about how much it costs to create a conversational AI. Don't miss the chance to join us and share your opinions with us. More than 40% of organizations in marketing, sales, and customer service have already adopted generative AI, second only to IT and cybersecurity. Among these technologies, conversational AI is quickly gaining momentum due to its ability to bridge communication gaps between businesses and customers in an effective and scalable way. However, many business leaders, especially in marketing, are undecided about how to start implementing this technology. They face the dilemma of choosing between the various large language models available, and they still have to decide whether to opt for open or closed-source solutions. In addition, there is a legitimate concern about the high costs of a technology that is still considered new and unexplored. While it's possible to buy off-the-shelf conversational AI tools, when conversational AI becomes essential to the core business, many companies prefer to build their own in-house solutions. To help alleviate the fears of those who choose the strategy, I'd like to share some of the research my team conducted in our search for the right LLM to build conversational AI. We evaluated different LLM providers and calculated how much investment each would require, taking into account the type of use cases our customers would expect. Our analysis compared two leading models, GPT-4 and Llama 3. These are the two most prominent LLMs that most companies are considering, and both are widely considered to be high-quality models. Furthermore, this comparison allowed us to observe the difference between a closed-source model and an open-source model. The main financial variables we analyzed were setup costs and processing costs. Setup costs include all the expenses required to get LLM up and running, such as development and operations. Processing costs correspond to the actual price for each iteration of the tool after its launch. The cost-benefit ratio depends largely on the urgency of launching the product. For companies that need to deploy quickly, paying more for GPT-4 may be advantageous, since it requires little setup. On the other hand, Llama 3, despite requiring more time and money to set up, offers greater control and may be a more cost-effective option in the long run. When it comes to costs per interaction, the tokens metric is key. LLMs process tokens, which are small units of text, and the cost of these interactions varies depending on the model. For example, while GPT-4 may seem cheaper initially, Llama 3 proves to be significantly more cost-effective over time, especially when considering the volume of interactions. GPT-4 has a cost per 1,000 tokens of $0.005 for input and $0.015 for output, while Llama 3, running on AWS Bedrock, charges $0.00265 per 1,000 tokens for input and $0.00350 per 1,000 tokens for output. To illustrate, if we calculate a typical conversation with 16 messages exchanged between an AI and a user, the total processing cost for GPT-4 would be approximately 16 cents, while Llama 3 would cost just 8 cents, nearly 50% less. However, Llama 3 would also incur additional hosting costs, which vary depending on the provider chosen. In addition to direct costs, developing conversational AI requires investments in operations, such as setting up servers and creating tools for ongoing monitoring and maintenance. Factors such as the time required for deployment, the volume of AI usage, and control over data are crucial to calculating the true cost-benefit of each LLM. At the end of our analysis, we concluded that while the Llama 3 is cheaper in the long run, the choice between the two models largely depends on the specific needs of the company. For those that view conversational AI as a core but not vital service to the brand, investing in in-house tools may not be worth the effort, especially considering the quality of the off-the-shelf products. Regardless of the path chosen, integrating conversational AI can bring great benefits, as long as the decision is always guided by the unique needs and context of the company and its customers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Your interactions mean a lot to us and help us grow. See you next time.